hi there. I see you're interested in learning about the role of an integration manager. Well, then you're at the right place. But first, I'm assuming you must be wondering where this role came into the picture from, right? To know more about that, you can check out our video on integration management. The link should be somewhere up here. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into today's video. An integration manager is an individual who is responsible for supervising and training the technical personnel applying project management methodologies to the projects for completion of the project and implementing communication techniques with the clients. They are also responsible for reviewing the plan of the project and solving the problems occurring at the site of the organization. But wait, did you know that integration management has a close link to project management? If you haven't already, do check the link in the description, which will direct you to a wonderful book on project management that will help broaden your knowledge. Also, there are a lot of videos on this channel on various topics of project management, so do subscribe. Integration managers have the ability to solve complex and complicated operating system problems. They also possess the communication skills to communicate and convince the clients, and also have time management skills too. The integration managers have lots of responsibilities on their shoulders and work towards the benefits of the organization. They work and manage during the transition period at a great pace to complete the task on time. They take important decisions necessary for the workflow of the project and also for betterment of the organization. The team members or other staff of the company are dependent on the decisions of the integration manager. The business resources are not managed by the integration manager. They just create the plan, the strategy for the project, and also work towards execution planning. The integration manager makes the assignments given to the team members clear and brief, keeps a note of the timeline of the project and also the deadline of the project delivery. They also look after the communication process as well as the review process. Do you know how the work starts initially in a new company? Let us know about it in the comments if you do know how. The integration manager is the one who motivates and encourages the new employees to take up tasks and also supports them in the process of completing the task. They are the ones who create a friendly working environment for an exclusive new company. The other departments in the organization focus more on the finance and strategy building for the organization. The integration plays the role of looking after the people working in the organization. They are also responsible to solve the cultural and emotional issues at their personal level. When there is reconnecting and disconnecting of the organization, the integration manager checks the work and progress of the work of the people and also provides direction to them to work on the tasks. The work of the integration manager is to work among the people and get the task done by them while listening to all their requests, talks and banters. They also have the ability to grasp the opportunities at the proper time that will work towards the betterment of the company and the people working in the company. They need to structure the new rules, decisions and strategies of the organization. The integration manager is the individual who gives a work frame to a new business or organization along with motivating the people to work in an efficient manner. They play various roles in an organization such as communicator, coach, consultant, project manager, facilitator and bridge builder. They are responsible for connecting the people and the organization. What is the role of a technical integration manager? No worries, if you don't know, we will be discussing that. The technical integration manager manages the integration of the project throughout developing, evaluating, coordinating integration project plans and budget management. They organize and keep a note of the progress of the project and plan documents, do analysis on the business strategies, and perform scope preparation. They understand the technical requirements and provide the programs accordingly. They also maintain communication with the stakeholders, clients, and vendors, and also check the process of implementation of the project. The integration manager is a highly skilled and detail-oriented person with outstanding communication skills, organizational skills, and motivational skills. They work for the integration, innovation, values, and success of the organization. They are the coach for the team to guide them throughout the life cycle of the project. They are responsible for maintaining excellent behavior inside and outside the organization through their impressive communication skills. They understand the goals and strategies of the company that will help the company to achieve the targets. The work of the integration manager is to improve and enhance the operation process and productivity of the company. In this way, an integration manager works as a connection between the staff working in the organization and the seniors of the organization. I hope today's video will help you to get a clear understanding on the role of an integration manager in an organization. To know more about this topic and project management, subscribe to our channel to watch new videos daily. Bye.